Good morning, super yogis! Ready to wake up your body, power up your mind, and shine all day? Let's boost our morning energy together.
Are you ready? Let's go!
Sunshine Reach Pose. Stand tall and stretch your arms high to the sky. Rise onto your toes, reach up big and shine like the morning sun. Rocket launch pose. Bend your knees low and swing your arms back. Jump up high like a rocket blasting into space. Star jump pose. Jump your feet wide and stretch your arms out big. Make a giant star shape and land softly like a ninja. Superhero power pose. Stand strong with hands on your hips. Lift your chest up and show your superhero confidence. Lightning side stretch. Reach one arm up and lean to the side. Feel the stretch like a flash of lightning. Mountain pose. Stand tall and still with arms by your sides. Feel strong, steady, and powerful like a mountain. Forward fold. Slowly fold forward and let your head relax down. Take a deep breath and feel your body wake up. Half lift. Lift halfway up with a flat back. Stretch your spine long and look slightly forward. Plank pose. Step back and hold your body strong and straight. Tighten your tummy and stay steady like a board. Downward dog. Lift your hips up high into an upside down V. Press your hands down and stretch your legs long. High lunge, right. Step your right foot forward and bend the knee. Reach your arms up tall and feel powerful. Warrior 2. Open your arms wide and look over your front hand. Stay strong and brave like a warrior. Reverse Warrior. Reach your front arm up and lean back gently. Stretch tall and feel your side body open. Chair pose. Bend your knees and sit back like you're in a chair. Lift your arms up and stay strong. Chair twist. Bring hands to your heart and twist to one side. Keep your balance and feel your core working. Standing knee lift. Lift one knee up toward your chest. Balance strong. Airplane balance. Lean forward and stretch one leg back. Open your arms wide and fly like an airplane. Tree pose. Place one foot on your leg and stand tall. Balance calmly like a strong, peaceful tree. Bear crawl pose. Place your hands and feet on the floor. Crawl forward slowly like a strong little bear. Dolphin pose. Place your forearms down and lift your hips high. Stretch long and feel your shoulders grow strong. Cobra pose. Lie on your belly and press your chest up gently. Open your heart and shine forward. Camel mini back bend. Kneel tall and place hands on your lower back. Lift your chest and gently look up. Victory pose. Stand tall and raise your arms in a big V. Smile proudly.
You did amazing! Power clap, finish stretch. Stretch your arms wide and bring your hands together strong. Clap high above your head and finish with big energy. Great job, and thank you so much, little yogis. Subscribe now for more yoga fun. See you in the next yoga adventure.